Good morning, a beautiful Monday morning starting here and with a brand new month, March. Imagine 2025, we are already on the third month. It's been amazing and it's gone so fast. Anyways, so all of that, today we're going to be showing you some beautiful fabrics that are light, that are wearable, that are summer perfect. You know, you're going to be just finding all of these looks and colors that are just appropriate for this particular season. Apart from that, we're also going to be showing you our silk bandhni dupattas. In fact, मैं शुरू उससे करूँगी because I think so much fire on that on Saturday that I want to show you what's there. We've had a few new additions, so we're going to be doing that as well. So that's what we are going to be starting out with. But cotton suits and Amunga silk natural fabrics, and this more colors in this particular fabric that I'm wearing. And this is of course our newest dupatta that we have launched in the Dyeable series this season. It's got the shape of a tulip and it's absolutely wonderful and very light georgette, and it goes really well with the fabric that I'm wearing. जो मैंने fabric पहना हुआ है, this is 980 per meter. This dupatta that I have in my hand is for 20,800. So it's a really wonderful mix. Now, of course, what I'm wearing needs a little flare, so you'll need about 7 to 8 meters if you're going to be going for that. But yeah, it's a lovely, customizable in any color look that you can have. And hopefully I'll be putting up a style video later today, so you can also get more details on that. But let's get started with the, the pieces that I have and the amazing colors for you to kind of just get it. Here it is. Now these are the most wonderful silk bandhni dupattas. The silk is katan, and which is why it's ultra light, very beautiful. You've seen some colors. We're going to be showing you the final colors that are there with us, and some of these may have two colors, some of them are single, but both having their charm, which is absolutely special. These are for 28,800. That's the price for each one of these pieces. And let's show you the colors so that you do get the one that you've been eyeing. I know a lot of, बहुत सारी बातें उस दिन हुई, with everybody was saying, this is the color I wanted, I didn't get it. Now look at this. This is a very pretty pink. In fact, I would totally wear it. For a bit, I'm going to remove this dupatta. I will come back to this dupatta when I show you the premium Chanderi fabrics. But in between, let's get on here. And yes, you can see the colors. And you can just place your order on WhatsApp. Is as simple as that. Look at that. Now, if you say that you want the Chanderi dupatta say fabric dyed, we can do it for you. Premium Chanderi jo hamara fabric hai, and we'll talk more about it in just a while, is really soft, is just perfect in every which ways. Now look at that. A wonderful combination of browns. Ultra light. Here you go. You can see the lightweight of the fabric, and it's the season to be dressing up in these beautiful, colorful, beautiful pieces. Holi round the corner, Ramadan has started, and it's just all the things that you've been wanting to wear. Summer party, summer gathering, many of you coming home. So yeah, it's a really good place to be in. Now, look at that. The variations that you will see are in designs. The fabric and the finishing remains consistent. What would be a great match to it would be ideally a plain chinia silk or a plain katan silk. Katan and chinia, both very different materials. Okay, both pure silk, both dyeable, and both really nice, soft, and both have a sheen. But ab sheen mein bhi kis tarah ki sheen hai, that is what kind of differs, and the volume and the density of the fabric. So there are a lot of things, but both are pure, and katan is of course the best. But if you're always looking for something thoda sa more economical, then chinia works perfectly well as well. Now, so you could be doing a chinia silk suit, you want to keep it very summery, then go for the fabric that I'm wearing, which is 980 per meter. And look at that, you could be wearing these on neutral color pieces. So you could do like an off-white kurta with some of these, even a pure white, and especially with Holi round the corner, it's going to look amazing. Now look at this one. Ye jo touch of yellow hai, these have a very distinct look from the ones which are all white, but each one of them distinct. Each one of them is for you right here. Now I love these as well. Look at that. You've got this ultra lightweight, just beautiful, weight to the dupatta, not too much, and it's not like, you know, something which will just fly away. It's just right. I love the fact, and it's a beautiful shade. Now this is a very olive kind of a shade, and really nice. Look at the fine bandhni. Okay, somebody was saying, oh, is it so nice, it's so nicely done, is it print? No. We never get into prints where it's bandhni involved. You will only see you know, bandhni as it is, and that's what you're seeing. Now look at that. Here it is. I think really hot, really good full length dupattas. Okay, so that's the other special thing about it. They are absolutely full length dupattas that you can go. Is that the last color? So we are done with the last color. From that we are going to go to a summer fabric, which is going to be, oh, look at that. This is amazing as well. So अब जितने भी थे, you know, जितने भी हमने बनाए थे, सारे pieces आपके सामने हैं for you to kind of place and get your pieces. Okay, honestly I'll tell you why they went in 2 bits, क्योंकि हमारे कुछ टैसल में गए हुए थे तो वो शाम को आए. So we said, okay, now we're going to add these also in the live and show you all the incredible pieces that we have with us in this style, each in Katan silk with tassels done, full length dupattas, very flowy, very soft. Go for a plain silk with it or go for a chanderi, both will work perfectly. 28,800, that's the price of each one of these. And yes, if you get actually 2 of these, then it qualifies for free international shipping. So I know some of you have already taken advantage of that, so I just said that, you know, I thought I will just tell that to you again. Now if you're seeing these fabrics, they are this ultra light Georgette fabrics, which we've dyed in these beautiful colors, and I'm going to show you the different colors to it. And in fact, ek to style bhi alag hai. So any more of this style, I think this is the only one. So now look at this one. Here you go. Look at that. That's a beautiful, very, very flowy fabric. I think it looks absolutely amazing. You will see a Sona Rupa. So when you're doing a look for this season, what you're going to go for is this fabric. Look at that. And then you're going to go for a plain silk bottom. You can go for a plain silk bottom because Georgette के साथ अच्छा लगता है pure silk. And then अब दुपट्टे की जहाँ तक बात आती है, if you really want to kind of work on a budget, just go for a Kota silk dupatta. It will look nice. Kota silk is the only starting range kapra, मतलब जो dupatta है जिसका kapra you can wear with silk fabrics. Only because it has a component of silk in it. It takes up the color the same way that you know, nice beautiful Georgette will take up a color. So that's the whole joy of it. And ये अब आप इनको just a kurta and pant पहने, but I think you add either a light dupatta or you add the tulip dupatta that I was wearing, which is that 20,800. So you know, both of these dupattas are going to be good. Kota silk 3,600, and then you go to the one that I was wearing, which was 20,800. So depends on the budget that you want to kind of fix it in. And I'm going to show you all the lovely colors. ये 2.5 मीटर सभी के dyed हैं, so you can go for this. You know, you can go, look at that, just really pretty. Even if it means like you have to do light dupatta, or हो सकता है maybe you have a dupatta which will go very well with it. तो उसके हिसाब से this is a short shirt. Look at the flow. So you're just wearing this, a very light dupatta, plain silk bottom, and you have an incredible look. Those are the 4 colors to choose from in this design. So ये एक design हो गई, blue भी दिखा देती हूँ मैं, और yeah, very lovely, nice cuts for you to choose from. ये एक design मैंने पहले आपको दिखाया, that was one, that peachish color, that was one design. Now I'm going to come back to this design, and this is really fun. Now let me just show it to you. There you go. So very, very fun. This is more like a polka, and look at the flow of each one of these. The zari are all light gold except for the first one, जिसमें सोना रूपा दोनों था. This is very, very light and really easy to be kind of wearing. It also adds a little more color to it. You can, in fact, if you're just thinking कि यार I'm going to make an outfit, you know, where I want to really just focus on the top part and the bottom part, I don't want to focus so much on the dupatta, then this itself is a great, great piece for you to be going for. Can I also get the tissue dupatta? I want to see the tissue dupatta that's come with tassels also, and we will then also show you why the tissue dupattas are just about perfect with everything. that you're going for, including these. Okay, so you've seen all the colors of this. Wear just this or definitely go for the whole set. Now what we're going to get into are the colors that I have of this particular fabric that I'm wearing. Let's go for this. Let's show you all the colors. Can I get my dupatta again? Also the glass of water, please. So it's such a season, you know, there's such dryness anyways. But so hope you guys are at least having a better Monday, you know, with not a bad throat, but with something nice in your hand, you know, and a chai or cup of coffee or chai, whatever is your poison, kind of just makes the whole experience so much better. So I mean, that's always the thing. And let's go on to the colors. Now I'm going to give you first the costing of this. Let's do a costing. 980 into about, let's do 6 meters. So I'm just going to go 980 into 6, which is about 5,880 for this fabric that I'm wearing, plus this dupatta which is 20,800. okay, मैं अब आपको बहुत सारे इसके कलर्स दिखाने वाली हूँ, and honestly you could be going with you know, I think I'm just like, yeah, really hot, busy Monday morning as always. Anyways, so I'm also going to be showing you colors. आप किसी में भी चाहें तो you can go for this kind of dupatta to make it slightly more dressier. Another great dupatta that I have is this. Now 8,800 for our tissue dupattas, and these are back. What I also wanted to show you was with this particular piece, yeah, any one color, this is good. So I wanted to also show it to you like this with the georgettes, because this 8,800 ka dupatta with this, look at that, how classy it looks very beautiful, and ye aap sabhi mein pehen sakte hain. You know, this doesn't pull you down, it's very lightweight. So Kota silk is one, tissue dupatta is another one, you know, these are all lightweight options. Okay, let's get started with the shades. Do we have a heap of shades I can show? I want to do that, like just like a heap, like this closed heap I want to do. Yeah, just like that. So I have many colors, okay, but I'm going to show them. Look at the beautiful colors that we've done for this season, and they're just amazing. You'll see lemons, pinks, mustards. You will see 2 different shades of lemons. Now this is yellows. I mean, this is very lemony. This is a more chromish color. You will see a little different colors like the burgundy. You've seen me style this, grays. Okay, oh, look at that whole range of colors. I'm going to talk a bit about the fabric. Okay, we do 2 chanderis. We do a chanderi which are both same price, 980 per meter. This is our premium chanderi, also 980 per meter. Look at that. Now there is another degree of lemon. So we've done a lot of lemons for you. Lot of these beautiful, oh, this is a very pretty blue as well. So why I'm doing this, that it just becomes easier for you to kind of have a reference and show all the colors that you're going for. Look at that. I'm just adding on to the colors, and I'm going to very quickly come to it. Chalo, let's do this much and then I'll come back to it. Okay, so now you'll see this is kind of a softish pink. I was talking about the fabric. Now first let's show you this. This is 5,000. This one is 980 per meter, and let's open this. That's the reason I want to open it now. So I have styled this in multiple ways, you know, like a straight kurta, and I've done pipings of the same fabric, which is really good when you're looking at wearing it and in a casual way. Like you can wear this basically just about anywhere, from you know, small event to going out for a lunch to work even, you know, they will work really well. अब इसका आप देख लो 5,000 and this is like 980 per meter into 5, so 10,000 में you have a very pretty set. Okay, now the moment you add a bit zari to it, so same style में like different concepts of these pipings I've done. उनमें अगर आप self ले लो तो they become a little more casual, and if you do what do you say, if you do you know, zari, the way I have used it, it becomes dressy. So very pretty. Now this one 980 per meter, and this is a single shade dupatta, so this is 3,200, and what a beautiful look. I would say आप tassels charges extra हैं, but आप जरूर कराइएगा because इतना सुंदर look आता है इसका. And you can be wearing these fabrics just about anywhere, like anywhere, you know, whether you're at home, you want to feel good about yourself, you've done a lounge, you've done pajamas and tops with it, you want to head out. They are gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Now mustard is our look for Savaria, and if you don't know what the Savaria is, then we'll send one picture. We will send it to you. This is our premium chanderi. Now premium chanderi you will see as a single layer. In fact, I will show you exactly the color that I'm wearing so that it's easier for you to know. Now if you see it here, now look at that. This is the single layer of the fabric. It is meant to be like this. It's meant to have this kind of transparency, softness, flow to it. Okay, if you like the more guff version, मतलब अगर थोड़ा डेंसिटी आपको पसंद है, थोड़ी थिकनेस, तो आपको हमारे रेगुलर चंदेरी कॉटन में जाना चाहिए, which is fabulous. It has the sheen and it's really good. Okay, same price 980. This is without sheen. इसमें ideally when you're making a silhouette, you should use a little volume, because when they gather together, now even if you see my thing that I'm wearing, if you see it, when it gathers together, it gives you a nicer thing. So about 6 to 8 meters minimum अगर आप use करेंगे बहुत सुंदर आएगा. But having said that, you know, many of our clients have used straight silhouettes and they've loved it. So yeah, I leave it up to you to decide कि कौन सा कैसा चाहिए. Okay, एक चीज which has been brought to our notice. Okay, it's happened a few times, not too much, but I still want to talk about it, are the numbers that we have to place your order. And I'm going to say this, there are only 2 numbers. This, the one that is pinned down, okay, that's number 1. It's there on every single post video that you see. दूसरा जो नंबर है वो हमारे वेबसाइट से क्लिक करेंगे तो एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर है. They're the only 2 numbers, okay? Well, with the increasing number of people on our pages, and we are very strict in monitoring who is coming. Now look at that, that's so pretty in blue. This is 10,800 for the dupatta. This fabric is 980 per meter. So this is also 10,800, okay? So there you go. So we constantly, you know, do surveillance of our pages. Day, night, we're always there monitoring, but sometimes, you know, with so much traffic, we miss, you know, some elements of people coming and posting, saying कि ये वाला मेरा number है, आप place करिएगा. You know, some random people who use the page. You are not to, of course, get touch on them. We block them immediately. But also on the other side, every post has the only legit number. Let nobody make a dash of you saying that नीव की चीजें हम आपको कुछ, you know, अलग दाम में बेचते हैं. It's not possible. Okay, guys, what comes is what you get. So for that you have to stick on to the main numbers. Be careful, it's your money, you know, you don't want to be paying it out and getting blocked out. Okay, it has happened to some of them in the quest to find some cheaper Neev. There is no cheaper Neev. There is only and only what it is what you get. So be careful and, you know, don't waste that hard-earned money trying to find something. I mean, buy what you see. If you don't want to buy, fair, okay, but don't, ye jo rip-offs hai, it's a big pain for everyone involved, so don't go for it, guys. Okay, that was just a short quick note on that. Now look at this incredible dupatta. This is 4,600. This lovely red, and you know, so we've done an ombre and kota with it. I think it looks so pretty, very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to show you the colors. Thoda sa I will go a little fast, not too fast, just a little, so that you can catch as many options as you want of these colors. And sure, just come to us, ask us for a picture. What a beautiful look. अगर 5 मीटर ये दुपट्टा आप लेते हैं, you know, it's going to be about 8,000 something, 200 भी नहीं शायद, you know, it's going to be 8,600, sorry. So I think it's going to be such a nice look. Okay, just do this zari detailing. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये करा लीजिएगा, because it's going to look very pretty with that. Now I'm going to show you this dupatta, our newest ombre, which is there. This is the 5,800. And you know, I'm going to show you, I've taken one color out of this for this. So when you think summer and you think that you want to be buying some beautiful pieces from us, this is the time to be going. So this live is just perfect for that. Of course, we're going to be saving it and you can check them one by one. So whether it's for Eid, and this is so perfect for Holi, Eid, you know, all of that, and just summer wears which you want to go for. Kya colors hai, right? And that's the whole joy of wearing it. And Look at this dupatta that I'm wearing, 20,800, and I have another dupatta of the same kind. It's so pretty, our tulip design. Really happy to be having made this. This is our newest launch of dyeable dupattas, 20,800 for it. Now what I was saying was so easy to wear, like I'm doing this full hand action all the time, moving around, and still this dupatta just kind of stays. That's the beauty of it. Look at this lovely, lovely blue, and it's just really, really pretty. Here it is, and I think it's really nice. Look at that, look at that. I love this whole look with it. I think you should be going for some volume, but even if you go for just the 5 meters and the dupatta, it's going to be very pretty. Okay, let's get 1 or 2 more colors in hand together, ताकि मैं आपको दिखा पाऊँ. इसके बाद I'm going to go to the natural mungas that I have just shown you. One dupatta, and I'll show you this dupatta. Iska where is that dupatta is there. Yeah, I'll show you. Now look at that. ये जो combination है, ये तो है ही 3,200 वाला दुपट्टा. I think it's a single color with tassels. Sure, 2450 add हो जाएगा, and you should go for it. Now look at that. This is a slightly dressy one, and I think this also looks very good. Now look at this dupatta. This is a cotton. This is, now you can see this zari. It's like a rose gold. That's the zari color. This is the fabric that you're looking for. I think it's a very pretty one for you to be kind of wearing. Another of our ombres that will go really well, and it's ready with it, is this one. There you go. I think many of you loving these as a first time trial, and I think, yeah, that makes so much sense for you to be kind of going for it. It's very beautiful, but add a fabric to it और आपका पूरा look हो जाएगा जो आप तुरंत पहन पाएंगे. You know, that is what I always want, that आप पहन पाएं, ताकि you will then, you know. So yeah, we have a lot of interest that you don't buy 5 things, you buy one full set, and that you wear it, so that then you know, and then I know that you're going to be with me for a very long time, you know. So there you go. Here it is. This is so pretty. Look at that. This dupatta, 10,800 tassels, if you may, you can surely add it. This fabric, 980 per meter. I have some more colors. They are all with kota dupatta, guys. Okay, so ye dekho aap, look at that. Can I have the price of 5 meter plus this, 3,600 का दुपट्टा. मैं ऐसे ही आपको दिखा देती हूँ. 8,500. Now, great thing. I have the price. I think this is such a beautiful grey. I don't have probably the quota to show you here. किसी में है भी, मैं इसमें दिखा देती हूँ. So 5 meters and this fabric. Oh, I love this green. It's so nice. Not too hot, just pleasant. 8,500 for 5 meters plus dupatta. If you want to take more, take more. Yeah, so, you know, we really did want to start this March morning on a Monday with all of these things that you can be wearing, which are just so, look at that. It's a really nice brown, and the very last 2 colors coming up, and they are a little darker, but you will see इसमें जो dark colors हैं वो भी इतने soft आते हैं. So yeah, lot of colors. I love this purple and so many different yellows for you to choose from. Look at that, really nice. 8,500 for 5 meters plus the dupatta. You have everything. मैं आपको सारे prices बता रही हूँ. Now the last, if you want something of a more dressier dupatta in this color, then you can go for this whole look. अब इस look का मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Let's go for a, what was that, 6 meters and this dupatta, which is 20,800. Now look at that. So that comes out to be 26,680, where you get 6 meters of this and this dupatta, and you say that आपको ये दुपट्टा XYZ कोई भी colors में से चाहिए तो हम उसमें dye करा के देंगे, and it's a fabulous suit to wear. Just add little ये जो gold हल्का सा touch है ये add कर दें, and you can wear it to every summer wedding that you have in mind, or a summer party or a outing or Eid, and Holi of course is just here. So, and of course if you're going for these holy looks, then you need to order right away for all of these actually, and be able to wear it. So I'm going to again now get back to work, put this aside for some time, and come back to the mungas that I have for you. Now look at that, a pop of color. You know, this is what we've written also on the suggestive idea on how to wear it. you should have one plain मूंगा bottom natural color में of need. If you don't have it, एक बार ले लें. 6125 है, 2.5 मीटर का, and then you can enjoy as many kurtas as you want. Of course, you may say मुझे थोड़ा dressy करना है, I want to wear it for an occasion. तो आप same on same मुझे दे दें, तो आप of course 6 मीटर ले सकते हैं. You can take that, or a 5 meter if that works for you. But otherwise, if you're just adding to some color and you want to wear this, so 5,800 per meter, and these are just fabulous for you to be enjoying and wearing. मैं एक आपको design. Now look at that. Of course, the whole joy is of the colors and the Meena. They are dyeable. If you want, you can dye them. They will look wonderful in dyed colors also. But मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, I think they look very pretty just in the naturals also. And that is why honestly मैंने नहीं dye कराया आपको दिखाने के लिए, because look at this color. Oh my god. It's so beautiful, paired up with a plain Munga bottom in the base color. I think it's going to be amazing. Can I just get this color itself? Yeah, I want to just get this. मैं आपको एक pink bottom के साथ दिखाना चाहती हूँ, which is this. So yeah, now you get the look. So if you're going to be making it a little more dressy, go for a chinya, buta, big one or small one, your choice. And you can do a buta bottom in this color. ये देखिए, it looks really nice. So that's a way of doing it. And yeah, I think it's going to be perfect. Let's do a kota dupatta. और मैं इसके साथ आपको एक और चीज दिखाती हूँ. We can do a lightweight dupatta with it. Nothing too heavy, but a very nice lightweight dupatta in kota, and you can see a full look. You say that I just want the bottom to be natural, but a pop of color in the dupatta, that's also possible. So yeah, really pretty, really nice. Enjoy these. एक और मेरे पास this I will come back to. I'll tell you why I'm showing that. I will come back to it in a bit. This dupatta also I need to give it back, okay, because that's there. And this is the very last one that's here for me to show you. Okay, and that's this one. Now you can see this. Look at the flow. It's very pretty. Enjoy the fabric and wear it in a silhouette which is you like. A A-line is what we suggest as a kurta and a flary bottom. Do it plain or do a same on same. Both will work really well. Okay, from that I'm going to go on to one really amazing fabric. Okay, and you have seen the launch of these lovely fabrics I think last week, and I was wearing a purple, of course, and showing you all these premium. Now this is a totally different league of fabric. As you can see, this is our newest motif that we have launched, and बहुत far and few देखे हैं अभी आपने, एक दो I think colors of it. This is the very beautiful dusty pink. Premium cotton is something else altogether. I mean, you have to just try it, experience it to wear it once. And this is a Sona Rupa, and this is composition is silk by cotton. It's the nicest fabric that you can wear for this season. Okay, buy it by the meter, go for a same on same, or go for a plain bottom. It's classy, it's beautiful. Dress it up with a lot of jewelry, it's possible, or keep it simple. Same on same is perfect. It's the same look from our Florence. Same on same. I wore a kurta recently, just a kurta and a plain gold bottom. That also works. Or a color coordinated and a light chanderi or a kota silk dupatta would be perfect. So these are about 7,800 per meter, and it's to die for. Just go and check this out more in detail. I'm going to go for the second one. I'm going to go for some suits now. Okay, ये हो गया. ये सब ensemble था, क्योंकि जो मैंने ये फैब्रिक पहना है, इनमें जो दुपट्टे हैं वो आप साथ में ले सकते हैं, अलग पहन सकते हैं. मैं अब आपको कुछ सूट्स दिखाती हूँ. Let's do some suits, okay? And one is this very beautiful suit. I haven't styled it. मेरे पास है ही नहीं कि मैं style करूँ. Okay? Now look at the beauty of this fabric. It is a newer composition that we have made. It's lightweight, it's easy, okay? It's just lovely. It's a cotton, mull cotton that we have done. Absolutely clean. Look at this, very, very clean. कहीं कुछ नहीं है इसमें. 32,800 for an entire suit set, okay? And that's your suit set. The bottom is there with it plain. It's meenakari and the mull cotton in this very, very beautiful color. And Yes, it is actually a season launch for us. We had shown the first piece, I think, last month from Bangalore. But उसके बाद हमारे पास pieces ही नहीं है for us to kind of try anything else. So this is one of our signature colors in it. This beautiful shade of purple and this vibrant meenakari look. So 32,800. If a suit is what you're going for, that one is awesome. It is just perfect. Now I'm going to add some colors to it. Maybe you have seen this pure cotton suit sets as well. Now look at that. Pure cotton. मैं इसका वो bottom था. I'm going to keep that aside and I'm going to come to this. Now इनके जो price आते हैं, can we just do the math? It's 12,000 plus 7,400 plus 2,450. Okay, and I'll tell you the price with the plain bottom. Full 3-piece का जो दाम आता है. Oh, look at that, guys. It's 22,650. 2.5 meter kurta, 2.5 meter bottom, and a plain this is just amazing. Okay, now we're going to switch it a bit. अब हमने थोड़ा सा heavy कर दिया इसमें दुपट्टा, तो the price of this one is different. वो जो दुपट्टा था वो 7,400 का था. अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This दुपट्टा which I have in my mind and hand is for 26,800. And look at that, it's just fabulous. This whole look, it's amazing for that summer wedding and festivity that you have in mind. Is just absolute perfection. Okay, one more color to it, to the first one that I was showing you अभी lemon में, उसमें ये है. अब इसकी जो speciality of course ये आप देखेंगे कि ये पूरा silver है. So this is a silver color to it. Okay, in between I'm going to go on to some blue. Let's do the blue and then let's go on to those meenakari suits. Okay, now I'm going to go to the meenakari suits and there you go. Here it is. ये देखिए, very lovely, very nice, and there you go. So this is the blue. Here it is. I mean, just really nice. The whole look right there. From that, we're going to go shift a bit to something which is very different in terms of chanderi cotton. है तो ये pure cotton था, ये chanderi cotton है. So of course the price also kind of really differs, but it is a full package with zari and just lovely impact. Okay, now oh, look at that. So that's the resham, that's the zari, and this is the kurta that you have with it. It comes with a plain bottom, very striking, and these are the 15,800 suits and such great deals, complete looks. बहुत सुंदर है. इसके मेरे पास 3 ही color हैं, which is what I'm going to show you. That we're going to do only 3 colors of these that we have, and let me just show it to you. Here it is. That this one, this is the plain bottom one, and this is also very fresh, very strawberry, really pretty. देखिए. So this is all with Meena. This what you see is also resham. We have given that whole resham look. So for everybody who's looking for wonderful sets today, who's looking, at wearing something of need, and of course, surely for the season, तो fabric appropriate, maybe price be appropriate. कितने options हैं, बहुत सारे हैं. And that is what we're going to be showing. Let's go to those 2 dot fabrics that we have. Yeah, that one. And let's just show you this. So there you go. Here it is. This perfect blue as well. Full 3-piece suit sets. 15,800. I think they're amazing. You can go for, each one of these. I'm just showing you some, sets that you can be going with plain bottoms. Look at that. A premium cotton with a kota silk dupatta. Also very nice. एक जो सिर्फ फैब्रिक है मेरे पास, और ये कोई भी दुपट्टे से आप ले लें, रेड भी जाएगा इसमें. It is such a nice ultra lightweight fabric. Look at that. It's just, there's no weight to it. Very lovely. And this you can again go for a plain bottom, just do a kurta. Maybe you have one of the bottoms in this color. और इसमें मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ red या same on same में. You can go for any color of the dupattas. But very nice. In between all of this, I want to show you 2 looks, okay? And especially for the reason that everybody's loving these, okay? These chinia silk fabrics, okay? These are the big Buta fabric. At some point, their prices will be different. This is right now 3250 per meter. Kisi point pe we may make it a little different because, yes, the whole exercise behind them is very different. तो वो हो सकता है. But meanwhile, Look at that, look at the sheen. And this is now what I was talking about. This is the tissue dupatta. Okay, this is a tissue dupatta and with tassels. It's really amazing. So it's a very nice. Agar ye, can we do this math? 8,800 plus 8125 plus 5625. What I'm doing is 2.5 meter of this, a tissue dupatta with tassels and a plain silk bottom, 22,550. Look at that. I think it's amazing, amazing. इसी का एक और color option भी है मेरे पास. And look at the motif, so big, so lovely. Okay, here you go. And I think we're almost there. You know, we've just kind of shown you everything that we have wanted to show. One beautiful dupatta I want to show you. Yeah, that I will just come back to. So again, you know, 22,000 pure silk, silk tissue, tassels will be there. Just like wonderful overall looks. एक मेरे पास दो चीजें हैं लास्ट में. एक है this bubblegum pink than and it has just come. So you saw one very dusty one and then you have this. ये जो fabrics हैं and I am saying that to you, try to know एक cut. हाँ, एक cut आप try करें, you know, but they are just incredible to wear with. Plain chanderi, same color bottom would be perfect. Ideally, that's the perfect look for it. Same on same is also very much, you know, popular. Like a lot of you have taken a same on same. But this is a fabulous new color in this Meenakari premium cotton fabrics. Just amazing. And the very last piece that I have for you is this. Yes. A lot of times we make certain pieces and then they go for finishing and tassels and then they finally come around and it has finally come, and this incredible piece for you, just very beautiful. What's so amazing about it, of course it's ultra lightweight, it's very pretty in terms of its color, but what is so special about it is that it's a red bandi dupatta, and I'm going to show it to you. You know, I wish I could just show the whole thing, just, you know, just the flow of it while you're wearing it, but of course it's a sitting live, तो कई बार वो you know, possible नहीं होता है. But this is the dupatta. It is most beautiful Meenakari, and I'll show you the Meena. That's the Meena. You can see it right there. And this is the whole thing, you know, the red color. And not only that, we've dyed a very dark color in it to enhance the beauty. And it's very difficult to do it. But yes, with Neem, all of that is possible and so much more. This incredible dupatta, just one off for you to see. And I think that's that. And we're done. So yeah, make sure, let me just show you a very quick glimpse of the full dupatta as much as I can show you. There you go. You can see this very lovely piece. And can I have my dupatta back? And that's the end for today. A wonderful live where you will be spoiled for choices, okay, in a budget, in a summer range that you would love to kind of wear and explore. Now this look that I'm wearing is customizable in any color. You like light blue, you like lavender, you like dark green, you like, you know, just name it. You like black, it is possible. It's a most beautiful, delicate design. On the dupatta, all in karwa, this fabric 980 per meter. Customize it, wear it to any color of your choice. Have a great week ahead. Thank you so much for joining in early this day today, and have a great week. Bye.